Hey guys, welcome back to Sonic Social Tech. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all the cookies on your Android and Chrome. So just follow these simple steps and make sure to watch the video through to the end. Just open up your Chrome browser. Just click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. Once you open the settings, find Privacy and Security. Then tab on Clear Browsing Data. Then tab on Clear Browsing Data. After opening Clear Browsing Data, you have three options and time range. So select your choice of time. Then tap on Clear Data. That's all. If you find this video helpful, just subscribe Sonic Social Tech for more tech tips.